Hello viewers, let's continue our CodeChef series, which is where we have started solving the question on less than 500 rating, and now we have to solve one more question which is less than 500 rating, which is audible range. Okay, so the chef dog binary hears the frequency starting from 67 hertz to 45,000 hertz. Okay, so there is a dog of a chef, and he can hear from 67 hertz to 45,000 hertz, okay, inclusively. If the chef commands a frequency of x hertz, find whether binary can hear or not. Okay, so you just have to check whether the dog of a chef can hear or not. Okay, you just have to put the condition. If it is, you just have to put the condition 67. You just have to take the input x and then check if x is lying between 67 to 45,000 inclusively. Okay, then you just have to print yes. Okay, else you just have to print no. Okay, so I hope you understand the question, that what this question is telling. So if there is 5, it is given in test cases 5 and 42 is less than 67, then you just have to print no, and the 67 yes. Okay, it is equals to, and 402, of course it is less than 45,000, then you just have to print it yes. Okay, so let's there is a test case D, and you just have to create a while loop. Okay, you have to create the while loop. If x t minus minus is greater than 0, then you just have to see in x. Okay, x, and then you have to check if x is less than equals to 67 and 45,000, then you just have to print yes, else you have to print no. Okay, so let's do this. First you have to create int t. You have to create the int t integer, which is int t, and then take input t, while you have to take t minus minus is greater than 0, then you have to take int x and then c in x. Okay, and you have to check if 67 is greater than equals to x and less than equals to 4500, then you just have to do cout yes. Okay, else you have to do cout no. Okay, so let's run this code. You have to check if x is greater than equals to 67 and then x is less than equals to 45,000, then you just have to print cout yes. Okay, else you have to print cout no. Okay, so let's run this code. Here you have to do handle also. enter. Now let's run this code. Yeah, this code works fine. Let's submit this. Yeah, this has been accepted. Thanks for watching.